Naren had a very compassionate and magnanimous nature. His instinct to help those in distress was firm. This profound compassion led him to bestow even the most valuable possessions upon visiting sadhus, sannyasis, and beggars who sought food, clothing, and financial assistance at his doorstep. Naren would frequently engage in the practice of meditation, immersing himself entirely. On a certain occasion, while playing the meditation game with his friends, a cobra unexpectedly slithered close to him. Witnessing the feared snake, all his companions fled in terror, beseeching Naren to do the same. However, with closed eyes and an unbroken focus, Naren remained unaffected by the external frenzy. Even the pleas of his friends went unheard. Miraculously, the snake gradually retreated, departing without causing any harm. Naren and his friends would often climb a towering tree in their neighbor's garden, where they engaged in playing among themselves and swinging between branches. One day, the elderly neighbor, agitated by the noise, confronted the boys, warning them against playing on the tree, telling them that the tree was haunted. "A ghost resides on that tree, ready to grab and harm you," he proclaimed. Naren listened calmly, his response muted. Despite the old man's cautionary fairy tale, Naren once again climbed the tree. His friends, gripped with fear, urged Naren to climb down, fearing the ghost's vengeance. Naren simply smiled as he reassured, "Don't be a fool. I have climbed this tree several times in the past. If there was a ghost on this tree, it would have caught me a long time ago." As Naren matured into an adult, his message to the world resonated. Be strong and fearless, ask questions and find out the truth for yourself. Naren was very interested in sports and music. He was an amazing athlete, skilled chess player, and focused his energy on various sports and physical conditioning. His skills and courage impressed all. Naren loved playing king and the court. Chess was his favorite. Over time, he also mastered the tabla and pakhavaj under the tutelage of renowned musicians, showcasing his prowess as a talented singer as well.